You know my style, I would like to say that with NFT you can only lose money, but it's not true. Of course, you can raise money and you can lose money, so it depends, but not 100% that you will lose. Let's try to figure out how the price for NFT format. Let's go. And firstly, what I want to say, that you can split NFT pricing on 5 stages. And first, every time and everywhere, first stage is idea. Yeah, just idea. You think, oh, I will create NFT, or someone think like that, and they create NFT. But here is 3 specific things: uniqueness, relevance, utility. And you know about uniqueness, so how is unique? Some item or thing, it's also depend of its price. Unique idea will help to increase price for NFT. Relevance. Just abuse new technologies or hype things or trends, anything, it will increase price too. Utility. Here we have one problem. Generally, your NFT is useless most of the time. So what is it? It's just some link, some metadata inside your NFT, inside your block of code. Inside, it's not block of, it's object inside blockchain. What you can do with it until you believe and until other people believe, you can do many things with it. But by my opinion, it's useless. If you will take someone who don't know about NFT and you will say him, oh, see this object, he will say, I don't see him. What is it? Say see in blockchain, see ERC 721, and he will think, okay, bro, bye bye. Because it's, yeah, we have some problems, especially with images. And okay, second thing, to be honest, why I don't believe in this, art. I cannot understand the value of art. I can understand music, okay, sometimes I like music, I can understand how is quote good or no, but I cannot understand pictures and art. So by my opinion, best picture is photo picture. I like views of temples, very modern style buildings, that's it. But I can go to Google and see pictures there to feel myself better, but I don't need special something to be own for this. But okay, to be honest, you can use NFT like physical pass somewhere, because really you can prove that you are owner of NFT. And sometimes you can use some smart contracts only if you have some NFT. If you not agree with me, it's okay. Just write it in the comments why I think the art is important and why we need it, and maybe you can explain me and other people's. Before I didn't meet some people like that who don't believe in art, cannot understand it. I will very glad to if you will explain me why I should like art and how I can understand art. Second stage, after any idea, another stage is creating. By my opinion, here this will be, you need to be very lucky to be in special place, in special time, to be lucky to sell it very good. And what's important, quality and rarity. You can think, oh, it's very important every time. If it's more quality, it's better. If it's more rarity, it's better. Usually yes, but if you have enough money, you can pump demand. Remember Monkey and CryptoPunks? How many of them was created? It's not so rarity. It's not big rarity, but how much? 10,000 or more? Rarity? No, it's not rarity. 10,000 on NFT in one collection. I mean, it's still, you can find many of them and they still very expensive. Monkey. And about quality, pictures, yes, quality. How many pixels there inside? No, it's pixel art. It's not so quality. Everyone can generate pixel art. Just go to Mario and make screenshots. I think it's not quality. Maybe it's something like what I cannot understand yet. What is art? Pixel art. Art. Anyway, so yeah, but generally, if it's good quality, if it's rarity, you can get more money for this. The previous 2 stages were mandatory, but this stage is optional. It's not necessary, but you cannot skip this stage if you want to increase price. This stage name is promotion. What can you do? Marketing and building a community. In marketing, you can just say about your NFT in different forums, special platforms, just to make it more famous. And about community. It's not so easy, but if you will do it, it very increase price. Why? So, for example, you will create some community. Some people will talk about your collection or set of NFTs, and this community will advertise your NFT. They themselves will create demand for your NFT, and they will themselves will increase price. But usually in such promo with creating some group of fans, what happened after they sold all and no one interested after selling all of this, what will happen after. And about communities, you can see in my video a crypto bucket of crabs. I was talking a little bit about it, some environment which not allow people stop invest, and communities sometimes hold you and don't allow you to go outside. We forgot about one additional small stage for this big stage called promotion. This name is influencers. We just buy advertising from influencers. Fourth stage is very important. Yeah, every stage is important, but this will important because you need to make right choice. First one, just you need to choose website where you will sell it. So it depends. Maybe you will choose some website where there are no active users, and you will think, oh, why no one want to buy my NFT, because all websites already did. Second thing, if you don't know how much worth your NFT, maybe it will be not bad idea to use auction system. Just put and see how many people will try, or no one will try to buy your NFT. And another thing, it's artificial hype. You remember I told you that I found something on OpenSea. It's maybe artificial hype. So what I saw how very famous before NFT, they sell it every day or few times per month, depends. But they still active. There exists some transactions from one wallet to another, and I saw that price was increased too. But you should remember that it's possible, it's just artificial hype. It's fictive transaction. Yeah, really, it's real transaction, but they do it for themselves. What is good in crypto, no one knows who is owner of this wallet and NFT. Maybe they bought by themselves. Next last stage, fifth, what happened after the sale. Just imagine you are owner or creator and you sell. Do you need something after? No. That's why the price maybe fall instantly, because no one creates some demand. It's possible if you was create some community. You remember I told you, so the community will advertise by itself. And it's not only about the specific collection, it's also about the author who was created and or platform or groups which was a part of something what created this. This can increase, but anyway, after sale, you and your NFT, if you are owner of NFT after you bought it somewhere, no one care about you too. So now it's your problem. You need to do something to sell this NFT. Not every time, but many of times it's possible. It will be like this. I just want to show you few examples. You can see few NFT. This is most expensive CryptoPunk number 9998, sold for 532 million in 2022. This is the most expensive CryptoPunk ever sold. Here you can see expensive ape number 8817. This monkey is the most expensive BAYC has ever sold. It sold for 3.4 million in 2021. She has several rare attributes. Looks like the bidding is still going on today. I also look at the Azuki collection. I didn't know about it before, but it looks cool. But now it's not so popular. 2 years ago it was sold very often, but now not so many people interested in this collection. Or it's possible someone just hold it. It's possible too, but generally it's not so popular right now. And I also can't forget about CryptoKitties. When the road of adventure led me to, and I bought one. But I forgot the password for MetaMask a long time ago, and in general I don't care. By the way, kids still moving. I can see some transactions there. And I forgot about one special step. It's so useless for you, so I will not tell about it here. You can check in my Telegram channel, but I can say you really, it's useless for you. Maybe 1% it's not useless, maybe it will be useful for you, but I think 99 of you don't need this. Anyway, I will put it in a separate post in my Telegram channel, you can see it there. Everything in description. So I'm planning to create some platform like that. And it's possible for my subscribers. I will create some environment, maybe, you know, some free NFTs which you can get. Of course, not for everyone, for someone. But I don't know when I will to do this. So you can go to description and subscribe on all my social networks, and especially on my website, because this like marketplace will be created there. I'm very I want to be sure that I will create it, but I cannot promise you because I never promise anything. Anyway, I really want to create some marketplace, just for example, and possible I will need to create some NFT there, and of course there will be my signature or something like that, e-signature, really e-signature. Yeah, maybe I will create some event when I will give few 100 or few 10 people, they will get them. Yeah, need to create some challenge. Okay, we'll see. So in the description you can see links to my website and other social networks. How long already NFT like standard exists? More than 6 years, I think. I cannot still, and I think the world cannot still understand, is it useless or useful? Because it was really hype. Now you can still find something, and now someone still make money with NFT, someone lose with NFT. The world is same, but most of the time it was artificial hype. But you can be sure NFT still exists, and someone still buy and sell NFT and create. And just remember this 5 stage. For example, if you will want to create some NFT collection and you want to buy something, don't forget about the stages. So if someone will, for example, forget some stage, you can buy and use this stage. Or for example, you know, all stages was used, and after this the price will be only fall. That's it. I cannot give you some tips for that. Buy or not, by my opinion, no need to buy, just, yeah, better to be someone who, if you want to be in crypto world, just be someone who stable, make some profit. You can see in this video who is it. But yeah, the question, is it useless or useful? Everyone should decide itself. I think the truth in the middle. So that's it. We was talking about how the price of NFT format. I hope it was useful for you. Bye.